So from 1 year of having Aptos, actually it's been more than a year because May 6 was just the official launch. But more than a year, what has happened? We've done 74 local workshops or hands-on here. I think 59 or 50 something ako. No? So imagine 1 year training a lot of doctors. It's really a lot of work for me, but it's something very passionate. Over the past year, we've sponsored 9 conferences. So Aptos has been known to be one of the biggest presence in a lot of the aesthetic societies here in the Philippines. And we're very happy that we were warmly welcomed by these societies. Can you please give a round of applause for all of these societies? Thank you for all of your support. Grabe, it was overwhelming to be really accepted and for me to be lecturing amongst colleagues who are my seniors in a way. It was an honor, definitely. So thank you for all your help. And we've had total of 8 visits by international trainers since last year until recently with Dr. Sylvia. So we even had the founder, one of the founders and the inventors of Thread, Dr. Constance Sulamanides visiting us. And this shows us the commitment of Aptos that we will continuously give you the best kind of training that you can have. Because Threads, like any other aesthetic and skill-based procedure, you cannot just give it to you and you can do it on your own. You have to be continually trained. You have to be doing your best, making yourself be even better and better over time. Now, we've also had, a part of that is 6 trips to Georgia, 6 batches of doctors going to Georgia. And one of the things that, that we experience here, aside from learning from the best trainers all over the world, is also being able to connect with other, doctors from other countries. Okay, and also being able to connect. The 4th highest Aptos sales globally out of 90 countries. And this is not even a year, kasi May to December. Diba? So, I'm really very proud of the work that we've done, and I know that we will continue to even be better this year. Okay? Now, aside, because of that as well, Aptos Philippines or Lift Training in my company, we've been awarded, we've gotten 2 awards in the recent Aptos Gala Dinner in Paris, France. So one is the Visionary of the Year for me being a trainer, and Business of the Year for the dedication that we put into business. And a lot of our friends, cliche as it sounds, hindi natin nadadali pero sa mukha. No, it's really the memories that we've made, plus the influence and the benefits and the patients that we've changed throughout our journey. I think that's one of the most important.